Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. You know, I get down, I get straight to the point. Got a wonderful customer that is stranded. She has a Subaru Outback. The check engine light was flashing. Anytime you see your check engine light flashing, that means you are misfiring. That does not mean to keep on driving. Pull it over and get it towed. In this particular case, we did a diagnostic on her vehicle. It is a multiple misfires on her vehicle, and the vehicle is running very bad. Unfortunately, with the mileage she has, almost 200,000 miles, it is better for her to go ahead and get another vehicle. No spark plugs and no coil packs are going to fix this issue. It was not isolated in one particular side because her coil packs are sitting right here. And if it was just a coil pack and a spark plug, I would change it for her. But this is a multiple. All four of the cylinders are misfiring. So that means with 181 to 200,000 miles on a Subaru, it's time to move on. And that's just the way it is. So anybody has a Subaru and you got multiple misfires in this amount of miles, you know what to do. But for everybody else who has a vehicle that is misfiring and your check engine light is flashing, that means pull over. You're misfiring. You're dumping raw gas inside your catalytic converter. You do not want to do that. Catalytic converters are $2,000–$3,000 because of the precious minerals that are inside your catalytic converter. So please pull over anytime you see this. This wonderful customer, she did that, and I'm very glad she did. But unfortunately, due to the fact that this engine needs to be rebuilt. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.